Codec Pro. Okay, on the left is a list of part codes available for this platform, along with the bundles that include the CS-CODEC-PRO Plus. Currently available in 2 bundles. Okay, so here we go. This is the Codec Pro, and you can see that it looks very similar to the SX80. You've got lots of Phoenix connectors for different connections into the back of this device. You've got a bundle that uses the P60 cameras, or you can have this with the QUADCAM. Both setups and bundles include the Touch 10 and an 8-meter flat grey Ethernet cable, table microphones. They're the new E versions. Now they're available with either a jack or a Phoenix connector, so you need to make sure that you order them with the right one, and obviously you will get presentation cable and all the right cables when you order those. They are complicated. There are many parts. I think we've mastered that one. They come with brackets, mounting brackets. They're quite fiddly. They look fantastic once they're up and running, but it's very important to make sure you've got all the bits and pieces, because you don't want everything turning up on site and you're missing a 3-meter Ethernet cable.